A Paralympian who brought honor for his country but still has no roof to call his own. This is an eye-opening story of R. Prasad, who won a silver medal at Los Angeles Paralympics 2015. But despite his achievements, the Bengaluru man is forced to live in a small 1 BHK rented house. Despite applying under the Rajiv Gandhi housing scheme 5 years ago and paying 1 lakh rupees for it, he is yet to get a house. In a moving interview, the father tells the heart-wrenching story. His only wish, a house for his Paralympian son before he dies. A Paralympic son and his father's prayer, in fact, on having their own home. 44-year-old R. Prasad is the Paralympian, a silver medalist at the Los Angeles Paralympics of 2015. Now, Ron Prasad, we have something reflecting his work. We have Prasad, in fact, showing his medal whenever he is at work itself, showcasing the laurels that he has brought for the country as well. Prasad, differently able, works as a housekeeping staff to make ends meet for his father, mother and him. And at the site now, occasional interviews, his medal is what he in fact showcases. Let's in fact listen to what he tells about the ordeal that he undergoes.
A Paralympic son and his father's prayer. 44-year-old R. Prasad is a Paralympian, a silver medalist at the Los Angeles Paralympics 2015. Prasad, differently abled, works as a housekeeping staff to make ends meet for his father, mother and him. And at the now occasional interviews, his medal still adorns his neck with pride.
आप करते क्या है अभी?
हमें हाउसकीपिंग
आप हाउसकीपिंग का जॉब करते हैं. Imagine a silver medalist in an international event in Olympics is working as a housekeeping staff right now.
5 साल का हाउसकीपिंग करता
5 साल से आप हाउसकीपिंग कर रहे हैं. आपके फादर आपके लिए इतना सब किया, आपको कैसा लगता है?
है. अच्छा है
हाँ?
जी, जिंदगी ऐसा चलता है.
He is smiling despite that. मैं आपके हौसला के बारे में क्या ही बोल सकता हूँ. It is seriously something that the government should now really look into. He really deserves a house somewhere, we all believe, because he's got you a silver medal and they're both happily smiling and telling their problems.
The man behind Prasad's dream of being a sports person is his 44-year-old father, Ramu. He sold clothes, cycling across neighborhoods, his mere earnings set aside for his son's future. His hard work and prayers paid off, but one remains. A home his son can call his. For now, this 1 BHK home at a rent of 9,500 rupees a month is what they call theirs. They rent too hard for them to bear.
5 years back अप्लाई किया है सर घर के लिए राजीव गांधी स्कीम. उन्होंने एक साल में आपको दे देंगे करके बोलता था. अभी 5 साल हो रहा है, मेरे को घर नहीं मिल रहा है. मेरा लड़का डिसेबल है, मेरा एज आके 68 ईयर्स हो रहा है. मैं मरने का पहले उसको एक घर दिलाऊंगा. प्लस ये स्टेट लेवल, नेशनल लेवल, इंटरनेशनल लेवल स्पोर्ट्स किया है. 2015 में यूएसए गया है, सेकंड प्राइज में आया. 2006 में मलेशिया गया है वर्ल्ड गेम में. इतना हम करता है, इतना कर गया, हमारा को कुछ काम नहीं दिया. अभी तक कौन सा बेनिफिट नहीं मिल रहा है गवर्नमेंट से. प्लस मैं साइकिल में कपड़ा बेच के 35 ईयर से कपड़ा बेच के इसकी मैं जिंदगी मेरा चल रहा है.
आप साइकिल में कपड़ा बेच
अभी भी मैं साइकिल में कपड़ा बेच रहा हूँ.
अच्छा.
Still I am doing my business from cycling.
All right. Okay.
घूम के साइकिल में घूम के मेरा बिजनेस करना है.
अच्छा.
वो बिजनेस में करने के लिए इतना लाया है, इसको पीछे में रहा है.
So that means whatever you earned throughout your life, you spent on his achievements.
Yeah. All my life is gone to my son. आई एम डूइंग मेरा सभी इसके लिए मेरा जिंदगी सब इसके करके ऐसा लाया है फिर भी मेरे को इधर रह के हम कर्नाटका में रह के सब रह के मेरे को कुछ भी बेनिफिट नहीं मिल रहा है
And this is the Olympic silver medal that he's holding. Silver medal right here. Silver medal for handball. This is in 2015. And his father, who's been selling clothes on a cycle all his life, so that his son now gets a house at least, or his son can achieve what he can. And all his life आप उसको sports में ही डाले हुए.
हाँ क्योंकि तो उसका नॉर्मल एजुकेशन बनाने नहीं हुआ है मेरे से डॉक्टर बोल रहे हैं नॉर्मल एजुकेशन में नहीं जाना पड़ रहा है उसको एक जगह में नहीं बैठता था उधर भागता था इधर भागता था इसलिए उसको नॉर्मल एजुकेशन है स्पेशल एजुकेशन में डाल स्पेशल स्कूल में डाल के एक एक पीरियड एक इसमें लाया है ऐसे लूम्स में और गाय का दूध बनाने में ऐसा ही उनको क्या किया वो स्पेशल स्कूल में स्पोर्ट्स में डाला स्पोर्ट्स में अच्छा है करके इसको स्पोर्ट्स में सिलाया है मैं सब भी स्पोर्ट्स में फंसता सब भी ऑल गेम इज प्लेइंग क्रिकेट हैंडबॉल साइकिलिंग रनिंग सब कुछ कर रहा है ऑल सभी खेल में फंसता आया है सर्टिफिकेट सभी मेरे पास है
Imagine the struggle of a father who worked all his life and he was told that his son has to go to special school. And he put him in that, worked his whole life trying to sell clothes on a cycle so that his son can achieve all the dreams that he can. And he's achieved a silver medal for the country. This is not a medal that he's done it for himself. This is a medal that he's earned for the country. And right now they've been beating every pillar and every door to get a house in the Rajiv Gandhi scheme.
The irony, a house is their right. Prasad applied for a home under Karnataka State's Rajiv Gandhi housing scheme. He paid 1 lakh rupee. 5 years later, no house, no response, no clarity, despite being fully eligible. Bangalore resident for more than 40 years, person with disability, living in rented accommodation, below poverty line, international Paralympian who brought pride to the country, a son who brought honor to India, yet still has no roof to call his own.